Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Satya from Java Beam. In this video, I am going to explain you one of the new feature records which is introduced in Java 15. We are going to discuss. We'll see what is the records feature and how we use the record feature, what is the advantage and what was the problem the record uh, feature is going to solve. We'll see. Records improves the developer productivity by providing a compact syntax for declaring classes. So let's say I want to create an immutable class. It's very difficult. Like if I need to provide like a private constructor and no setter methods, only getter, and I need to provide a constructor. All these things I need to take care of. Even though if I not going to use much of the features, but I need to provide a full structure in a class for immutable. So records is solving that problem and giving us a immutable objects in the form of record, which act as a transparent carrier for immutable data. So that immutable data can be transferred across layers as a record. So there is a new keyword called record has been introduced in Java 15. Similar to like interface is a keyword and class is a keyword. Interface is used to create interfaces and class is used to create classes. Similar way, record keyword is used to create records, and this is a second preview. Means it was introduced in Java 14, but it was not a full-fledged feature at that time, and again it is introduced in Java 15 as well, but still not a full-fledged feature in Java. Probably in future releases it will be a full-fledged feature. We'll see with example. Let me go to JDK 15 version. So in my ID I configured JDK 15, and let me create a record object. So to create a record, like to create a class, we are using class type, and to create record we need to use record type, something like this. I need to use. This is how we create records. Let me create a class and we'll see how we can use the record instance. So here is my class. Here also I can, inside a class I can create a record. To create record I can use record keyword. I can say user record, and something like constructor I can pass like a user ID of type string. Let's say it's a int type, and string username. So we no need to provide any constructor or anything. This is a structure of record instance. So this record instance accepts user ID and username. There is no constructor required, there is no setter getter required. Still we can use the record object. Let me create a main method, and yeah, I can create an instance for user record, the record object, and I can use in my method. Like creating instance I can use a new keyword, and similar to class the behavior is same as class. Only thing is it is type of record. Instead of class the type is record. Like we have seen user record how we have created. Okay, now inside the constructor I can pass the variable values user ID and password. User ID, let's say 1234 something, and username Java Beam, something like this. So here this is a record object, this is an immutable object. We cannot modify this object, and we can just get the data and we can reuse the data, something like this. And username. Let me run this one and you will see the output. Yeah, be able to. And we discussed like this is an immutable object, means that object cannot be modified once the data is assigned. So this is the immutable data, like user ID and username. let me modify the data, and we'll see user id equal to something like this, and you will get a compilation error. Field cannot be assigned because the field is immutable, this object is immutable, so we cannot assign any data. This is how a record can be used. So record can be created at the class level, or outside the class, or inside the class, or inside the method. Wherever we can create a record and we can use that record object, and it's a immutable, so no need to give any protection here. Once the object is created with the data, it cannot be changed. And inside the record, we no need to create any constructor, all are like implicit. We can, if you want, we can provide multiple, like a string pwd, so the pwd can be passed here, something password. This is how we create, and there are no setters and getters, but using these variables we can get the data like this, like a methods, like how we call the methods, same way we can call the records variables, and we can retrieve the data. That's all about records feature, and this is a good feature because in previous versions of Java, if I want to create a immutable, it's very difficult task, or it is very typical thing is we need to provide a many things, like we need to provide a private constructor, and we need to make only set getters and no setters and all these things, and we can also make sure of access specifiers and all this, but record solves those issue, and this provides the best feature. Yeah, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe my channel. If you want to know about any concepts, you can provide your comments in below. Yeah, bye, signing off.